Grandma told me this trick. It healed my cracked heels in just a few days. Cracked heels is not only a serious health condition, it is also very painful, persistent and can impair the quality of life. However, there is an easy solution to this problem, which will take you a couple of simple ingredients and a little of your precious time. After you're done, you can enjoy watching your regenerated feet work the same as before. Here is how to do it. Step 1. Warm water treatment. Ingredients: lukewarm water, 2 spoons baking soda, pumice stone, 2 spoons salt. Directions: pour the lukewarm water in a tub. Add baking soda and salt and mix well. Soak feet in the mix and let it act for 15 minutes. Finally, exfoliate feet with pumice stone and dry them off. Step 2. Scrub. Ingredients: 2 spoons oil, sugar. Directions: take a bowl and mix the 2 oil spoons and 1 spoon sugar. Massage feet with this scrub for 5 minutes. Finally, rinse them as per usual. Step 3. Moisturizer. Ingredients: a candle, oil. Directions: add 2 spoons of oil and a piece of the candle in a bowl. Place bowl in hot water until ingredients melt. Let the mix cool off and rub it on your feet. Put winter socks on before going to bed. There you go. All fresh and healthy once more.